Hello everyone, welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. Now the topic is, how is the Aravalli range to be protected? See, let's talk about the story so far first. The Supreme Court in an order last month settled on a uniform definition of the Aravalli hills and ranges and paused the grant of fresh mining leases inside its area spanning Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Now, what is the range's significance? Let us understand that. So, Aravalli is one of the world's oldest mountain ranges, over 1.5 billion years ago. Okay, and acts as the natural barriers against the eastward speed of the Thar Desert. It plays a role in groundwater recharge, biodiversity conservation, climate regulation, source regions of important rivers such as Banas, Luni, and Sabarmati tributaries, protects the Indo-Gangetic plains from desertification. So, all this has been mentioned here in this one. So, let us talk about what is the threatened landscape and what action taken against mining. See, decades of illegal, unregulated mining like limestone, sandstone, marble, several degradation of forest cover, falling groundwater levels, habitat loss and fragmentation affected wildlife, rapid urbanization and construction, especially in NCR regions. Weak enforcement due to lack of a uniform definition of Aravalli hills. The Environment Ministry since the early 1990s has laid down rules restricting mining to only sanctioned projects, but these have been flagrantly violated in 2009. The SC stepped in and imposed a blanket ban on mining in the Faridabad, Gurugram and Mewat districts of Haryana. In May 2024, the Supreme Court prohibited granting the fresh mining leases and renewables of range and directed the Central Empowerment Committee CEC to undertake a detailed examination leading to set recommendations submitted in March 2024. Now let us talk about why is the court intervening right now. See, states interpreted Aravalli boundaries differently by bypassing mining restrictions, repeated violations by earlier Supreme Court bans here, and failed to executive authorities to protect an ecologically sensitive region. PILs highlighted irreversible ecological damage and need to ensure environmental protection over commercial interests. Now, what exactly are the Supreme Court's other directions? Let us talk about that. So, acceptance of uniform and scientific definition of Aravalli range, mining ban to apply to hills above 100 meters and valleys, catchment areas and buffer zones, preparation of detailed management plan for the sustainable development, identification of no mining zones, restoration and rehabilitation of degraded areas, protection of wildlife corridors and natural drainage systems. Now, let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic, why it is highly relevant for civil service examination. So, for GS paper 1, geography, very important. Again, for GS paper 2, governance and polity, again very important. For GS paper 3, environment and economy, it becomes highly important. And for GS paper 4 also, it becomes very important. For ethics and for essay paper also, it is a highly relevant topic. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.